Hello! After having shown you how to find ideas for your manga story, I will show you how to develop your story outline. A story generally has a start and an end, and in between you will have multiple steps. The list of all these elements is what we call the outline. If we have a look at the idea I developed in my previous video, we see that the start is the young boy playing and falling in a cave. The end will be the boy finally going out of the cave and coming back to his home. And in between we will have a set of milestones with the boy eating a seed and seeing creatures, the boy helping the creature escaping an enemy, and the creatures helping the boy to go out. The construction of the outline will now consist in fleshing out the story between the start and the end and those milestones. And similarly to how we built the idea, we'll build the outline by asking ourselves some simple questions. We'll see that in practice just after. When building your outline, you should also try to keep your steps consistent. For instance, if you are writing a short story, each step could represent 4 pages. And if you are writing a series, each step could be 1 or 2 chapters. Going below 4 pages will be too much details for an outline. You don't need so much details for the moment. Now, let's build the outline from the idea presented earlier. Our first 2 items are the boy playing and falling in the cave and the boy eating a seed. Now, how can the boy move between these 2 steps? For instance, he could be falling in the cave following a rabbit. And the reason why he would eat the seed is basically because he got lost and felt hungry. Now, how can he move to the next step, which will be to help the creatures? It could be, for instance, that they pitied him and offered him food. After that, he helped them to thank them. After that event, the creature could befriend the boy and understand he is lost. This is the reason why they would decide to help him going out of the caves. After that comes the big part. The steps between the moment the creatures decide to help the boy and the moment he goes out of the caves. A short story is 60 pages, and up to now we have 8 items in our outline, which makes around 32 pages. Therefore, we have 28 pages left, which is enough to fit 7 items in our outline. Since the idea mentioned a maze, the hero could be going through a set of caves. They could, for instance, have to cross a cave with a tumultuous river. Then they could find a cave where they will be attacked by a spider. They would escape and find new creatures that will help them and heal them. After that, they could be again attacked by the spider, but this time, after a battle, defeat it. And finally, they would arrive in the cave with light showing through. The boy would be able to escalate to go out. And at last, we reach the end of the outline. The boy would say goodbye to the creatures, exit, and go back home. This is it. Now we have the outline for our short story. Therefore, to summarize, the outline will lead you from the start to the end of your story step by step. Try to keep your steps consistent. For example, 4 pages for a short story or 1 or 2 chapters for a series. And advance between these steps with questions. And that's it. I hope you will find this video useful. Do not hesitate to like and subscribe and to visit my blog to learn more about manga making. See you!